Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles.
Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time
As you all are welcome to Wendy Styles. I'm so happy to be with you guys today again. Thank you so much everyone. I have beautiful short hairstyles for beautiful black women. So go ahead and check out those lovely styles that will inspire your next big chop, okay? Thank you so much everyone and see you guys at the end of the video. Short hairstyles for women are styled haircuts that really fall between the boys cut, the tapered cut, the pixie cut, and the twirl haircut. Having this kind of short hair really creates that appearance of thicker hair, and there are many types of hairstyles to choose from. This kind of styles are really gorgeous kind of hairstyle, whether you're a woman with a type of hair that is thick or thin or wavy or even curly or straight. You will find the perfect short idea and inspiration here in Wendy Styles. So today you're going to see the kind of collections of pictures and videos of the year's best haircuts and hairstyles for women with short hair. So if you really have short hair and you really want to take years off your face and look younger, just take a look at this beautiful chic and modern short style right before you here today in Wendy Styles, okay? Because if you're in your 40s or you're in your 50s and 60s and you're looking for a kind of change, you are in the right place today for this eye-catching images of youthful hairdo. So you will love this chic and stylish hairstyles that will kick years off your beautiful face. Because this stunning super short hairstyles will not only launch you to the front of fashion chic, but they also have very low maintenance blow dry optional, because it will show off your femininity with one of those beautiful haircuts you're seeing. So your round face beauties won't be able to resist this kind of collections of gorgeously chic short haircut ideas for round faces. I love this beautiful hair. Is an ideal for black women that are looking kind of chic, fun and fierce, because this kind of hair are perfect for ladies who really want heads to turn with one of those looks. So whoever said that girls or ladies with thick hair couldn't rock shorter hair was totally wrong, because this chic and sexy dudes for thick hair or different kind of hair texture definitely exists, and the best ones are right here today in Wendy Style. So go bold and revamp your whole look with this beautiful simple hairstyle this season. These are styles that are beautiful. These are kind of style, because whether it's kind of pixie texture or kind of slick back, you will find something new in Wendy Styles, okay? So just kiss that kind of blonde cut goodbye and check out this fabulously layered short hairstyles that we also add volume for my African American beautiful women, because you are all in for a treat, because I've put together some gorgeous and bold looks for all of you who are embracing your tapered cut or natural hairstyles. You can check them out yourself, because who knew, there were so many options like for this kind of changes. So just come take a look at some of those trendy short do headgears for your next styling adventures, okay? I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here in Wendy Styles. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So if you're like today's celebrities who really change their hairstyle as often, so it's time for you to switch up this look with this must-have hairdos for you, okay? Thank you so much everyone. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video.
me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. Talking key sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. Leaving, you're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, 'cause you already got moved up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. Talking key sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, ain't nobody that's keep sweat. And I'm gonna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready? So much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. Got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? 'Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. Talking key sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for.
Lovely, beautiful video indeed. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. God bless you guys. See you in my next video.